Hey guys, back with another DVD and Blu-ray review, just DVD review. It's time Futurama Harvey Birdman. Front and back. Then here's another front, back. And then here's disc 1 slim case, front, back. And then here's the disc. Take that out. You can see that artwork. And then here's disc 2, front, back, and then the disc. Then if you take out the disc, they bump into each other. And then here's disc 3 slim case, front, back, and then the inside, there's the robots. And then if you take out the disc, the robots are getting away, but then that robot and that alien, and that purple alien guy is showing off his bottom. Yeah. This was Futurama Volume 1. And then here's Volume 2. Front, back, and then here's the front to this one, and then the back to this one. This is even a little bit just one size kind of bigger than this one because this is now a 4-disc slim case set. And then here's disc 1 slim case. Front, back, and then here's the disc. If you take out the disc, you can see that Zap Brannigan from normal one just turned into a cop with a robot turning into a cop. And then here's disc 2 slim case. Front, back, and the disc. And if you take out the disc from that guy about getting eaten, we can see his bottom. And then boom, he got eaten. All we see is his feet. And then here's disc 3. Front, back, and then here's the disc. If you take out of the disc, now it just has that, and it says just married. You can't really see that much of that until you take this disc out of the slim case. And then here's disc 4 slim case. Front, back, and the inside. And then if you take out the disc, the bugs died on that car thingy. The bug thingy with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyes. And then here's Volume 3, Futurama. Front, back, and then there's the front of this slim case. Wait, and then the back to this one for another box set after the slip cover. And then here's the slim cases. Here's disc 1, front, back, and here's the inside. There's the disc, says now leaving Pluto, last restroom before Proxima Centauri. And then if you take out the disc, it says next restroom is 4.3 light years. And that guy's crying because he has to go to the bathroom so bad. And then here's Volume 3, disc 2 slim case. Front, back, and then the inside. Then here's the disc. It says men working. And then after that, there's more. You can see the more when men working from that guy holding up the sign, the robot thingy. And then here's disc 3 slim case, front, back, and here's the inside. There's a robot guy playing a game, and then if you take out the disc, boom, he explodes. And then here's disc 4 slim case, front, back, and then the inside. And then here's the disc. If you take out the disc, there's them getting away with, we could see who they attached it to. Their motorcycle kind of thingy. And then here's volume 4, front, back, and then if you take out that, you could see the skeleton, their thingy, what they have in there. But this thingy comes with this card that's not that important to the video, since we're important more is the discs, pictures. And here's disc 1, slim case, front, back, and the inside. Here's this alien thingy, and if you take it out, he's so sorry. And that tall structure kind of looks like it would be the Burj Khalifa in Futurama form. and then here's disc 2 slim case, front, back, and then the inside. There's them kissing, but then if you take it out, you can see what they're actually hiding from the kissing part. And then here's disc 3 slim case, front, back, and then here's the disc. And then here's the guy trying to clean the window. Then if you take it off, oh, it looks like an abandoned robot that's kind of broken. And it says, will all mates for something dollars with the broken glass. And then here's volume 4, disc 4 slim case, front, back, and then the inside. Then it says the order doc right there, and if you take it out, look, you're getting your food. But these two guys right behind the disc remind me of Frylock and Master Shake because of their shape, from Aqua Teen Hunger Force. If you know, it's another Adult Swim show. If you know what I'm talking about. And then here's volume 5, front, back, then the inside. Then here's disc 1. And then here's disc 2. And then here's volume 6, front, back, and then the inside, and disc 1, and disc 2. And then here's volume 7, front, back, and the inside. Here's disc 1. And here's disc 2. And then here's volume 8. Front, back. Trying to wait too hard, cause. And here's a card. And then here's disc 1. And disc 2. But for disc 2, they had the frog. Kind of like how they did for disc 1, they did the ship. They did that with other discs, kind of like that, but different parts of the show. That was volume 8 for Futurama. And then, now moving on to Harvey Birdman and Tornado Law. Here's volume 1, front, back, and then the inside. Here's disc 1. If you take out disc 1, you can see all the scenes from the show and small pictures. And disc 2. And if you take out disc 2, you can see that too. And then here's volume 2. Front, back, and then the inside. Here's a card. List of all the shows you were able to get on DVD back then. And for just the Warner Brothers Adult Swim shows. And then here's disc 1. If you take out disc 1, here's that stuff. And if you take out disc 2, you could see this other stuff. Like, in a similar way, but kind of different. Oops. Forgot to put the card back in there. I'm trying to hurry up. And then here's volume 3. Front, back, and then the inside. And then here's disc 1. If you take out disc 1, you can see all that stuff. And then here's disc 2. Take out disc 2, you can see all that stuff. And hope you enjoyed this video. This was all the Futurama DVDs and Harvey Birdman DVDs that I owned. Until then, I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.